In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a picture background in Canva without Canva Pro. As you can see, I have my picture over here of a person with a background color. Now if we would like to remove the background out of this picture, there is a paid version in Canva to use the BG remover. Unfortunately, you need a Pro account or an educational account to do this within Canva. But don't worry, we have a little workaround. What you need to do is go to this website remove.bg and after that upload your image. After you have clicked on upload image, then select the image and upload it. And now as you can see, it will automatically remove the background out of your picture. If you would like to download this image without the background, then click on download, click on preview for the free version and after that open the new file. As you can see, we have now successfully removed the background of a picture in Canva without Canva Pro. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.